Assalamualaikum guys, my name is Faiz and welcome back to my new video. So guys, this is the another part of English speaking challenge and it's Tuesday today and it is almost 8:30 p 8:30 am, not almost, exactly 8:30 p 8:30 am. So today's topic is about my daily routine and my some challenges and what I am planning to do in 2026. So let's start. But before starting, you have to click subscribe button and press the bell icon. So are you did it? Okay, done. So first of all, I plan to do I plan to make a agency in video editing field in 2026, but for this I have to become a professional video editor first, then this will become agency. Or if we add some or more things, some more skills like graphic designing in my agency, then it will become a software house that my father wants. I will make my own software house. I also wants this, but for this I am thinking to make first a video editing agency, then this will become a software house. So first I have to become a professional video editor. For this I started watching lectures of GFX Mentor, but because of my busy routine I have no time to give this thing. So first of all I have to get time from my busy life, so I can give my time to this. And for this I have to pre-edit my short. I have to pre-record my short videos and also edit when I am not able to do anything else. Like in work I cannot record videos. So in work when I have free time, so it is the best time to edit my videos, so I can complete my editing task, and the editing time will be free when I am at home. But it is also something that stops me for doing this. Is the work is to the in office. If I am not doing anything, everyone's like, are you not doing any? Why are you not doing anything? Come and do this work. Come and do this work. Rather than my own work, they give me their work. So it is very difficult to take time from my office hours, in my office hours, whatever we say. And also my phone has a problem of batteries, and also my adapter is lost. So whenever I want to charge my phone, whenever I plug my phone into a charger, everyone is you charge your phone very much. You are charging your phone again. You charge your phone very much. How much you want to charge your phone, and these things. But I also told them my phone's battery is in not good condition, and but they also think you made your battery in this condition. You put your battery in this condition by charging your phone again and again. But I charge my phone when I have to use it. For example, if I have my full battery is 40%, and I now it's I need to use my phone almost 3 hours, and there is no chance to get charged in these 3 hours. So I charge my phone, and it becomes 60 to 70 during this time. And then I plugged out my phone, and I will use it normally. But due to this thing, and due to the multiple attempts of this thing, my phone battery is getting weaker, and I do not know why my phone's battery is somehow weak, that when it reaches 30%, then phone becomes shut down instantly, without any notice, or without doing 1% decrease, 1% decrease. They phone become dead instantly, like it's 1% battery remaining, and I am still using. Literally, when my phone's battery is 30%, and then I decided to record a video, and I think it will become less 5 to 10%, because I know my phone's battery is weak. So when I started recording my video, then the phone in the video stopped instantly, and phone become shut down. Then I mean, like, what I do now. So I have to postpone my video for that specific time, uh, and it is very problematic for me to have a good charge routine. And people say it's night time, but I have lost my charger, so it is not good advice for me to charge my phone at night, because my friend also told me charging your phone at night is a risky task. It will damage your battery more, and it looks like your phone disconnects when it's 100%, but but even this damages your battery. So uh, when where are the so it is also damages the battery, so it is very difficult to manage these tasks. uh, uh, as you see, my topic is completely changed from my plans for 2026 to my phone's battery, because currently I am facing these problems. So this is continuously going in my mind, and that's why I started talking about this, and I am going to end this video, because my phone space is already full. So goodbye, Allah Hafiz, and Allah Hafiz, and keep me in your prayers.